when I'm all alone, in the middle of the wilderness, on the trails less traveled. The only thing that stands between beauty and disaster, success and failure, life and death, is what I have. In my backpack. Hey y'all, I made it here to my tent site. Might be helpful for you to see how I pack a frameless pack so that it's comfortable, and then also so I can get to the things I need when I need them. To start with, I always put in the very top of my pack my food bag. This is my Hilltop Packs backpack, and this is my food bag, also by Hilltop Packs. And this has been with me on every trail since I began the Appalachian Trail. So, great gear. Very light, very durable. Then again, here's my battery bag. It's got my power bank in it. It's got all of my charging cables in the back of it. Again, Hilltop Packs. I've got a fleece hoodie, and probably won't need it on this trip. I didn't know if it would get cool at night, and if it did, this fleece hoodie is wonderful. This is made from alpaca wool, and it's made by the Appalachian Gear Company. Next is my tent. Put my tent in the top, just under my food bag. I keep my food bag at the top because that's what I'll get into for snacks and I get into for lunch while I'm hiking. But when I get into camp, if it's raining, the first thing I want to be able to grab is my tent, so I can set it up quickly and get everything else inside the tent out of the rain, and then I'll start setting up inside the tent in the dry. But that's sort of the method to my madness, and I'll go ahead and put my tent up, and then we'll continue on unloading my backpack. Okay, tent's up, so let's continue on unpacking. I usually bring my puppy. This time, I didn't think it was going to be that cold, so I brought my down vest instead. And what this does for me, I can roll it up and use it as a pillow as well. Extra batteries and my light if I was going to video in the tent tonight. I don't know if I will or not. I'll probably do everything here, and when I go to lay down, I'll just shut down. Okay, next is I have my camp shoes. These are my Sequay water shoes that I'm using also as camp shoes. In fact, I think I'm just going to try them on now. What's in here next? More like Christmas. Well, I have my clothes bag. Now on this trip, I only brought my base layer and an extra pair of socks. On a longer hike, then I'll bring an extra pair of underwear and 2 more pairs of socks. This is my maintenance kit. It has my first aid stuff in it. It also has tent repair and air mattress repair kits inside that. So this is my maintenance kit. Next I have my rain jacket. And then I have my cook kit, and I'll be using this later when I make dinner. This is my air mattress. This is a Big Agnes Ultra Air Core. It's insulated. Let me blow this air mattress up. I'll put that in there. Normally I bring my sleeping bag with me. It's a 17-degree REI Igneo 17. And I've had it since I started backpacking. Here's the Big Agnes. And it has this pump sack, which is sort of like a dry bag stuff sack. You could use it that way. It's waterproof and rolls down, opens up like a dry bag. But in the end, it has a valve which fits on the intake valve of my air mattress. I just snap the two together, just like that. And the nice thing about these pump sacks is that it saves you a lot of breath. Just a little light breath brings in all the air, and you just squeeze it. And there it is, all inflated. Now I usually put the valves toward my head. My head's going to be at this area. Okay, once that's filled up, I just roll this up, get it ready to be stowed away, and tomorrow morning I'll deflate the air mattress and put everything back in that stuff sack. All right, get back in here. Now what's in here? This is what I'm really excited about. This is made by Get Out Gear. They asked me to try this out. This is a down puffy blanket. It's 650 feet of responsibly harvested duck down. Comes in its own stuff sack. This stuff sack doubles as my pillow. I put my vest, or if I've got my puffy, to put my puffy, and just insert that in here, just like that. That doubles as my pillow tonight. The blanket weighs 16 ounces. My REI sleeping bag is 2.5 pounds. So 1 pound to 2.5 pounds. This is good, they say, to about 50 degrees. And tonight it's supposed to get to 50 degrees, so it'll be a good test for it. Now this is a 15 denier nylon. That helps it to be lightweight. It's also water resistant, and that helps to keep the down dry. And it's designed so you can actually use it like a parka. It has these thumb holes, and you can take it, and you can bring it around you like this. With these thumb holes, and you can snap it shut with these snaps. Snap it around your neck. I'll use it as a warm weather quilt. I'll let you know tomorrow morning what it's like. the stuff sack that my Get Out Gear Down Puppy Vac blanket came in. I put my puppy in there and used it as a pillow. I was very comfortable. This is a very nice blanket. Packs up very small and it's very light. It also comes in synthetic, but I prefer the down. It has snaps that you can put it together and use it as a poncho. And on those cold evenings when you're sitting around the campfire, I prefer it just like this, to use it as a very light quilt. But you can use it how you like. Check it out at Get Out Gear.